So we're going to look in this question at dropout rates and what can be done to stop elite performers dropping out of elite programs. Let's have a look at the actual wording of the question, which is this: identify and describe 3 strategies used to address dropout rates in elite performance programs. And there are 3 marks for this, so again you need to make 3 different separate points. So what could we say about how we can address dropout rates? So what we're talking about here, elite performers, very focused, very specific. They're working towards gold medals, Olympic Games, World Championships, etc. It's obviously highly pressurized, so there are associated issues that perhaps go with that, and stresses and strains on the individual, and some of them inevitably will drop out. So what can be done to stop that dropout? Let's have a look. We've mentioned this in another video. There's a little sign to it just coming up now in the top right hand corner, which will link to it. And this is about the UK Sports Lifestyle Programme. So one of the things that UK Sport do is provide this lifestyle programme which promotes a healthy, balanced lifestyle amongst athletes. So it's not all about specifically training for whatever happens to be the Olympics or the World Championships. It's about that balance, helping and supporting the athlete live a normal, balanced life as best they can in the circumstances. So if you can remember to put UK Sport Lifestyle Programme and talk a little bit about it, it promotes a healthy lifestyle amongst athletes, then that is fine. However, don't just write healthy lifestyle, because that isn't enough in itself. What the examiners are looking for is UK Sport Lifestyle Programme. So make a note of that first of all. Now, the next few points I'm going to mention are very similar to, and you might say, well, that's the same sort of thing, and I think to be fair, you've probably got a point, but we can unpick that a little bit more to focus in on exactly what might happen with that support in terms of the lifestyle programme. So one of the things that happens is the English Institute of Sport, or the Institutes of Sport, provide advisors and mentors for the individual. Okay, we've got this very specific goal that someone's going towards, and those mentors and advisors are going to offer guidance on how to cope with being an elite sportsperson. All of the things that contribute towards elite sport obviously can be very challenging, and so advisors and mentors, often those who have been in the same position before, have gone before them, provide that advice, provide that support, provide that mentoring to help them through. With that, another point we can mention is, and we've seen this elsewhere as well in my videos, is that there is the specialist coaching and specialist support that is available to manage the training. So what that means is, it's not enough just to say, here's your training session. Then there's conversations about the training. Is it too much? Is it too demanding? Is it causing injury? Can we reschedule? So there's a dialogue, if you like, with the coaches and the specialist support teams to enable the performer to maintain a steady sense of progress without being put under too much pressure. That again, the next point, you can see how this is similar, emphasizes the strong support system, and this is about providing emotional support and practical support. So if you think that your focus is on winning a gold medal at the next Olympic Games, there may be a whole lot of other things that you just don't want to worry about. You can't be bothered with. I'm not interested, or I don't want to worry about my finance. I don't want to worry about other things which may be in normal life are significant. So there are support systems in place to support the athletes with those kinds of things. And as I've mentioned before, there's advice on training, on competition and lifestyle management. That includes nutrition, obviously, lifestyle in terms of going out, partying, sacrifices that you have to make, etc., consumption of alcohol, a whole raft of things that the elite performer needs to be advised upon so that they feel that they are given the support that they need. And finally, there's this sense of evaluation and assessment of progress and development. So again, it's a conversation with everybody involved in the support team who is providing that evaluation and assessment to see if progress is being made. Do we need to change what we're doing? Is it being hindered? And is it not working as well as it could be? And if we can change it, then so much the better. Now, all of those points added together make a really good support system, which hopefully, remember the aim of this, is to reduce the dropout rates in elite sport programs. There's quite a bit there. Hopefully you found this useful, and good luck with this question.